see how beautiful it is looking. I have arranged this in a vase, in a glass vase with some green leaves. So we are looking so amazing. Now you can start doing business by doing this work, by sitting at home. You can make this flower and sell it to the car decoration person, the flower merchant who decorate cars. They will buy your flowers. You can start this business. This is a small business, but you can grow into a huge with your efforts and with your truthfulness towards your work. You can even sell this to the person who decorates function hall. In decoration items, they will use this artificial flower for decorating parties, function hall, for decorating stages, bridal stages. This is an easy way to get income. We women, we have so many responsibilities in our life, so we cannot leave our home and go. So we are superwomen. We know how to manage our home, our kids, how to look after our home, how to look after our kids. We can do anything. We are very good and we are talented women. I hope this is the one basic thing which you can use and you can be financially secure in life. So all the women over there, all the girls who are there, whoever there, you think you cannot do anything? Think in yourself. Think by yourself. Look at in yourself. There is a talent. You only have to search and bring your talent in front of the world. With this, I end my video. Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your dua and do like and subscribe my channel. So this is the material which we are going to use for making flower: paper, thread, marker, pearls, scissors and dhulki wires. For making this flower, you have to cut your paper into rectangular shape. It should be 3 into 9, 3 by 9 in size. Fold them in equally, like your length is 9, so you have to make 3 folding of 3 inches. In one paper you have to make 3 folding, each folding of 3 inches. When you fold them, all the 4 sides of your paper should be 3 inches. All the 4 sides. Your paper should be folded into 3 inches and all the 4 sides should be into 3 inches, okay? Now paper, fold into triangular shape and cut the way I am cutting. Now you have folded the paper, now cut it in a V shape. See how I am cutting. Now open the cutting and see it will be in a star shape. for making one flower, we are going to use 3 different size of petals. Like first one you take of 9 inches. Now second one, the length of the paper should be 9 inches but the breadth should be 2. And the third paper breadth should be nearly 2.5. Okay. Take a pearl, put it in the wire and twist the wire. The pearl should not move here and there. Twist your wire as tight as you can. The pearl should not move. Now take the small petal and put it on the wire. Try and see how I am doing. After that, put the second one. Then after that, put the third one. You like the video. Now try to make this flower. You can make it and keep it on the side of your corner table in your drawing room, or you can make it and sell it on Amazon, Flipkart. This is the easiest way for girls to make income while being at home. I hope this will be helpful for you all. Do subscribe my channel.